Tradition dating back more than 4 centuries is drawing huge crowds to Pamplona, Spain this week. Famous 9-day festival known as the Running of the Bulls has already resulted in a handful of injuries this year. That doesn't seem to be stopping the massive crowds who travel there from all over the world to test their luck every summer.
Shit! Oh, shit! Alright YouTube, alright, we are outside in freaking Pamplona, Spain, because I've always wanted to do running with the bulls. So I called a group of my friends, we flew out here. Man, I have no feelings right now except for like, I just gotta lock in and get ready to do this for real. Well, let's go. What's the move you gonna do, James? What you mean? The bull's coming at you. Hey! 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 What you doing, Kobe?
Oh, this.
It's bull, it's a bull, it's a bull! Hey, 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 hey! Woo! Hey! What you doing, bro?
This, bro. Not supposed to be recorded. We out here. Is this y'all's first time doing it? Yeah. Nice. Where are you guys coming from? Australia. Yeah. Nice, nice. How about you?
LA.
Yeah.
Is
this your first time though?
First time. Hey, bro. We gonna get it. We gonna get it. What's going on? What's your thought process?
What are we doing, bro? This is white people stuff. I'm white, bro.
How you feeling? How you feeling?
I'm a little nervous. I'm not gonna lie.
Almost. Come on. This is crazy, y'all. What am I doing? What am I doing? That's right, OG. Woo! I don't know, but just in case.
What? What's happening?
Oh, that was it. That was it. That was the first one. That was the first one. Y'all are gonna run already?
They ran already.
That dude, Jay, I've never seen him run that fast. That's the second one, I think. The bulls are released, though. The bulls are released. Shit! Go, 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 go! Oh. Let's go. Run, nigga! Oh shit! Oh
Bro, that was fucking crazy.
Oh my God.
How you feeling?
Bro, so many people felt what I said.
Bro, you were like,
Get out the way.
that was crazy. No, right here, I was like, I'm cooked. I'm cooked.
Oh my God, let's go.
Yeah. Y'all made it. That's right. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Let's go. Bro, those shits are bigger than I thought, though.
You two lost the shoe.
Bro, Kobe, you better get out, bro. You better get out, bro.
I look good. I look like I've been through it.
Don't do it! Miguel! Miguel, don't fucking do it! Miguel! Miguel! Oh,
I got that dude getting knocked out.
Bro, there's more? I'm out. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I'm getting out.
Hey, that shit was cool. Everybody tried to look for me. I was like, there it is.
Woo! That was called living life right there. All right, we got that off the bucket list.
That was sick. That was, genuinely, that was fucking cool.
That was a once in a lifetime experience. Awesome! Awesome! Alright, let's go! Yes. I don't want to recommend it to anybody, but if it is something on your bucket list, you know, get it done. Bad though, Loki. I feel bad. I felt a little bad. I didn't like that ending, bro.
What would you rate that out of 10?
Man, that was a fucking, it breaks the scale. That was an 11 out of 10 right there, man.
What was your favorite part?
And my favorite part was the whole thing, but definitely when you first see the bulls coming,
Yeah.
at first you think you're macho, you're like, we're good. But when you see it running at you and it's fast as fuck, you feel the ground shaking, you feel people around you getting nervous, you can feel the anxiety around, bro. It's crazy. You see the horn, it's crazy, bro. It's crazy. Once in a lifetime experience, I'm glad I got to do it. Fire.